Welcome to this short demo of the Alexaremote system. With the Alexaremote system, you can remotely control your Alexa camera. Basic functions are included, such as start-stop on the left-hand side button. A nice feature of this unit are user profiles. Up to 10 profiles can be stored, setting your favorite combinations of frames per second, shutter, exposure index, and white balance. Storing each profile gives you the opportunity to change from one configuration to the other at the click of a button. Let's talk about common settings. Frames per second is accessed on the top left-hand side, shutter speed on the top right-hand side button. If you want to change your white balance or ASA rating, those are located on the bottom two buttons. Now let's talk about codec selection. From the remote unit, you can choose to shoot ProRes or DNx HD. There is also an option to toggle S/S cards remotely, toggled from slot 1 to slot 2. It is also possible, using the remote system, to interact with the motors attached to your Alexa camera. You can set motor direction and calibrate motors, one by one or all at once. Playback options are also possible from the remote unit. Cycle through all your clips, select the one you want, and play back. There's also an option to link your sensor speed on or off. It is also possible to enter high-speed mode from the remote unit. Once high-speed mode is entered into, the camera will itself set the high-speed codec. Once exiting high-speed mode, the camera will then return to its values set beforehand. Options from 60 to 120 frames per second are available in high-speed mode. There's also the option to set your LutRecOut LUT. Log C, Rec 709, ARRI RAW, all available from the remote unit. One unique feature of the Alexaremote unit is time-lapse. Using this feature, 2-second clips are recorded, currently with a minimum interval of 10 seconds. A maximum of 999 clips can be recorded onto 32 or 64 gig S/S cards, giving you a maximum of 40 seconds of footage at 25 frames per second playback. During time-lapse shooting, feedback is given from the remote unit, as you can see here.